Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to increase the view size in Outlook to make your emails easier to read and navigate. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Outlook web app by heading to outlook.cloud.microsoft in your browser. This will take you directly to the web version of Outlook where you can access all your emails and settings without needing the desktop application. Once your email inbox has fully loaded, you're ready to adjust the view size. Navigate to the top right part of your screen where you'll see a gear icon. This is your Outlook settings menu, and it's where you can customize various aspects of how Outlook looks and functions. Go ahead and click on this gear icon to open the Outlook settings window. When the Outlook settings window opens, you'll notice several settings tabs displayed on the left side of your screen. These tabs organize different customization options to help you find what you need quickly. Click on the Mail tab to access email-specific settings. Once you click on Mail, another set of options will appear on the right side of the window. Look for and click on Layout. This section controls how your email interface is structured and displayed, including important visual elements like text size and message spacing. Under the Layout section, look for the option labeled Text Size and Spacing. This is where you can control how large or small everything appears in your Outlook interface, making it easier to read emails and navigate through your inbox comfortably. You'll see 3 different sizing options available: small, medium, and large. These options let you customize the view based on your personal preference and screen size. To increase your view size, simply select large by clicking on the radio button next to it. This will make all text, buttons, and interface elements significantly larger and more visible. After selecting your preferred size, don't forget to save your changes. Click on the Save button located at the bottom right corner of your Outlook settings window. This ensures that your new view size setting is applied and will remain in effect every time you access Outlook. You might need to wait a moment for the settings to process and for the page to refresh with your new display preferences. And that's it. You've successfully increased the Outlook view size, making your email experience more comfortable and easier on your eyes. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.